Well, you're right, guys. I said on my last video I wish I'd taken a photograph of the snow on the polycarb greenhouse. Well, I did. It was on the other camera. Typical, isn't it? Typical Digwell. Yeah, so you can see there, look, how cold the roof is because that snow wouldn't be there. Fantastic. For me, if I ever had another greenhouse, I would always go for twin wall polycarb, I think. Right then, on with this week. Start off with some onions and shallots. Oh, all right, guys. I want to get the those red flash onions. I've decided to put those in the Vitapod because they're the overwintering ones, and they'll be finished quite soon. So a quick scattering of charge and this Q4 powder. Now I was going to change the compost again, but I've got too much growing still. What we got? Black radish, chard, silver chard. Got a load of herbs over there, and we got this mooly, kumbong mooly. Hold on, leave it in. So maybe I'll empty it next year and do it properly. So a little bit of scatter just to feed the compost a little bit. And then give that a dusted in a minute. That'll do. It's already had a little bit of chicken manure pellets. Right. There we are. Still got the matrix laid out from the square foot gardening last year. And I was sort of going to tend to follow it a bit. Oh, it worked. And it's a good way of making sure you sort of do companion planting as well, because it's all mixed up in there. Where's my dibbers gone? What I need to do is have a look how many we got. Well, I'm going to go, I'm going to do 16 a square again. I'm going to do the end 2 square, because I want to put something tall in those two. Let me turn you around a bit so you see a bit better. I'll start over here. And I'll get back to you over there. Lovely. Maybe, 16 might be 9. We'll see how it goes. It's so easy with these agrolans. No pricking out. Just a bit of podging and that's it. Disaster! Broke my dibber. Cherry picking the best ones here, but they're all pretty good. One more row, I reckon that should do me. I've got so many blooming onions this year, but I like onions, so what can I do, you know? Right, that'll do in there, guys. I'm going to put a few in the birdies beds in a minute. All over the shop with these this time. Just going to scatter a few around the outside here. That'll do. Yeah, okay then. Shallots. My own variety. Bit of a mix actually. What should I get? I'll take 6 across there, I reckon. Yeah. Yeah. And these are in a container wise, 15 salt. They've done very well in here. I'll get 5 across, I reckon. Yeah, 5. Could use a proper trowel, really. The wind's picking up. Oh, nice little worm down there. Look at him. Oh, there we are, that'll do for today. Got the shallots in the first bird's bed by the house. And and the red flash onions in the veggie pot over there. So I'll shut the lid now and let them get on with it. No need to water them, it's absolutely soaking. Alright guys, just popped up the plot to see what is left after the snow and the floods and everything. God, that snow melted, it washed a lot of people's woodchip away, but I'm glad to say mine's all still there. But what I came up for as well, I'm trying to plan the next couple of weeks out. I haven't got an awful lot to do now at the moment. I've not much growing, but I haven't got a lot to do ready for the growing. But I just looked at this, I cleared the pond out, I just raked the bottom out, pond. And you could just see it there, bottom left corner, load of frog spawn. So chuffed to bits with that. I'll tell you what, let's have a quick look at the rhubarb while I'm here. Don't want to disturb it too much. Oh, lovely. Now I'm going to have trouble getting that back on, aren't I? Let me put you down a second. Look at that lot. Oh my word, that'll be ready for picking soon. Oh, look. First time I've ever done this as well. Brilliant. Right, turn you off a minute. Yeah, that was good. Better start planning some rhubarb dishes, I suppose. Frame still standing. Loads of wood chip here left over. Finish off topping up the birdie's beds. Got to finish off gluing the frame together as well. I wanted to see if it worked before I did any more. Yeah, that's solid again now, look. Yeah, so I'll do the last 2 bits there. Yep, so I'll plan that in. A little bit of weeding to do under that net there. Broad beans and peas, wasted blooming time they were. Straw bales, I'll tell you what, I'm glad I got them in position when I did, because they are so heavy now. I couldn't even move them. I'm going to try and find a way of putting a peg between them to close this gap up, or I'll just pour some compost down there. Really keen to get going on this, but there's no point doing it just yet because well, it's a little bit cold for the bacteria at the moment to start breaking it down, and there's not a lot to go in. I mean, spuds will be going in, I don't know, 17th of March or whatever, 12 days time. But what I'll do, I'll sow my spuds traditionally and then put a few aside for when this is ready. That's what I'll do. Yeah, here we are then, that'll do guys. Garlic, onions, yeah. All garlic in there, ain't no onions. yeah, pretty nasty onions in there under the where the tomatoes were, next to Jar Jar Binks doing his job. Well, just a quick look round, guys. Yeah, if we get a few more days like this, I shall be up here quite a bit. Oh, only a quick one. Catch you on the next video. Take care, guys.